massive fracture just opened on Mount Etna. Thousands of residents in danger of death. Mount Etna is roaring again, sending a warning signal through a giant crack that has just been identified, splitting its slopes. This fissure is not just ordinary volcanic activity, but a gaping wound spewing hot, toxic gases, indicating that internal pressure within the mountain has reached a critical boiling point. Monitoring drones have captured terrifying images of the depth of the crack, which penetrates the old magma-bearing rock layers. This discovery is clear evidence that the volcano's interior is experiencing extreme swelling, with the accumulated magma pushing against the crater walls as if trying to tear the mountain's structure apart from within. Scientists' primary concern now lies in the stability of the southeastern slope, which is considered increasingly fragile. This crack appears right at a vital weak point, which is feared could accelerate the landslide that has been slowly sliding toward the Ionian Sea, transforming the slow movement into a massive landslide threat. The looming worst-case scenario is a catastrophic sector collapse. If a portion of the volcano's wall were to collapse into the sea due to the widening of this fissure, the impact could potentially trigger a devastating tsunami that could sweep across the Sicilian coast in the blink of an eye without sufficient warning. Below the surface, seismic sensors are detecting increasingly violent tremors right around the new fissure area. Intense, successive micro-earthquakes indicate that magma is aggressively moving through the fissure, placing the surrounding rock under immense stress. Residents in the Catania region are now living under real tension under the threat of this volcanic threat. Authorities have immediately tightened no-entry zones and reviewed emergency evacuation routes, aware that the fissure could explode or widen drastically at any moment. Ultimately, Etna's new fissure is a stark warning from an untamable force of nature. As experts race against time to predict the next impact, one thing is certain. This Mediterranean giant is not sleeping, but preparing to unleash its greatest fury.